Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinal TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much. I want to show you what I got here. I got this mouse B100. This is beautiful stuff. So to connect this mouse, you stick it to the PC. And it will show you settings. So use the arrow up and down. The device is ready. This is very beautiful stuff. So with this, it's very nice gear. B100 mouse. Beautiful stuff. I ordered this online from Amazon.co.uk. Nice, dope stuff. Full size quad mouse, Logitech. Nice stuff. It's very fast. Logitech. Nice gear, dope technology. This is beautiful stuff. So with this, just need to select. Okay. Once you plug it in, your PC will pick it up straight away. Okay, very nice stuff. You select, okay, and go to Microsoft Edge, okay, and type Logic. Mouse. Logitech mouse B100. Here you go. Beautiful stuff. Here it is. It's quite cheap, but it's also nice. £7, $7.59. Okay. Beautiful stuff. Comfort in hand. Left-handed or right-handed, you can walk comfortable all there with Logitech. Smooth operate. You are in control with smooth, responsive optional track that move. Okay, ready in one time. Once you plug it in, you are ready to go. So this is beautiful stuff. Beautiful, very smooth. See, it's moving up and down. Okay, Logitech black mouse. Wanna check the price on amazon.co.uk. Amazon. Can order this on Amazon first. Yeah, we got various. It's even cheaper on amazon.co.uk. £6.36. Logitech B100 wired USB mouse, 3 Bluetooth optional tracking, durable, affordable, universal compatible, plug and play. So beautiful stuff, very fast, very nice gear. Logitech, very fast, USB connect, smooth sensor control. This computer laptop mouse provide 800 dpi optional precision, meaning accurate and efficient control when editing document and browsing web. You can see how fast it is. It's beautiful stuff, very nice. Okay, I ordered this from amazon.co.uk. Beautiful stuff. Okay, very Logitech B100 wired, nice. Okay, beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff. So nice gear with your laptop. Very nice with your laptop, very fast, and beautiful stuff. Logitech, universal compatible, very comfortable. Okay, I thought to show you what I ordered. This is Logitech B100. Okay, nice and dope technology, beautiful stuff. So just need to, once you plug it in right here, you are ready to go. Okay, thank you very much.